Hi guys, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like it. So today we're talking about hair care, and here in my hands I have a shampoo. It's a shampoo by Nature's Gate. This is shampoo for oily hair. It has ginger and holy basil, as they claim is supposed to be really a unique blend for treating oily hair. This shampoo could be used daily if needed to, and it doesn't contain, as they say, quote, no nasties. So it doesn't have, it's vegan, it's soy-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, so all kind of things. So it's made in California, so made in USA, if that matters. And it doesn't also have no SLS, no sulfates, artificial colors. Oh my God, it's just pretty much a pure thing. Just don't eat it. Now, the way you're going to use it, as I've said, you could use it daily. So if you need to really massage it onto your hair, you could repeat this twice. Make sure you really sort of create like rich lather, which will help you to clean the roots, and then you rinse thoroughly. So for best results, obviously, as they recommend, you could go ahead. There is even ginger and holy basil conditioner. I cannot really say how the conditioner would do with the roots, but applying it on the rest of your hair probably would be a good idea. So if you look at the ingredient list, it does contain a lot of, like, seems to be good things: jojoba oil, borage seed oil, vitamin E, wild cherry bark also, which is, as they also say, ideal for the oily hair, marigold flower extract, calendula, well, you know, a lot of really other things that is not really bad. So it contains fragrance, but as they indicate, is the phthalate-free fragrance. So if you want to know more, I think you should probably go on their website, naturegaze.com, or maybe ask them a question, so if that's a concern. So this is it. This is the shampoo for oily hair. This is it. Wishing you all the best. Clean, good-looking hair. Put the thumbs up if you like it. See you later. Bye.